Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make cranberry sauce. Cranberry sauce is a very popular and traditional Thanksgiving dish here in the United States. Cranberries are very tart. They have a very strong flavor, but cranberry sauce also has a lot of sugar, so it's tart and sweet at the same time. And it's really easy to make cranberry sauce. You just need a 12-ounce bag of fresh cranberries, 1 cup of sugar, 1/3 cup of water, the juice of 1 orange, and 1 cinnamon stick. Or you can use half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. First, put the cranberries in a pot on the stove. Add the water and the sugar. Then turn the stove on medium-high. Stir the cranberries as they start to cook. After a few minutes, the cranberries will start to boil, and then you'll turn down the heat to low. Put in the cinnamon stick and juice the orange. And stir the cranberry sauce. Now let it cook for about 5 more minutes. When it's finished cooking, take out the cinnamon stick and pour it into a bowl. Now let it cool down until it's at room temperature. Now the cranberry sauce is cool and ready to eat. Some people like to eat cranberry sauce with their turkey, or you can just eat it plain. Delicious.